to launch a successful business. What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. Before we begin, remember to hit the notification bell and subscribe to my channel. Every single week, I'll be posting content related to online business and additional income stream for 9 to 5. My Facebook group, Make Money Doing What You Love, is finally here, and I'll be holding exclusive training sessions inside for free. So if you're interested, do check it out. I'll leave the link in the comment section and description box down below. Anyways, let's dive in now. First, you need to learn about marketing. You might have the best product and services in the world, but if nobody knows about it, then your startup can't succeed. Learn how to use digital marketing techniques like content marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization. When I just started out, or any business that I start out now, I would totally recommend to focus on learning how to shoot ads on Facebook and content marketing. Combination of these two really helped to build my business from 0 to 5 figures in 4 months. Learning from a mentor, because that was what I did. Through implementation, I found out what works and what doesn't work for various businesses. So now I coach my students on digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad skill, and because of the strict Facebook policy, you must be really careful. I've got my account and ads banned multiple times, and I was really banning my way to success. So now I've formed a list of Facebook policy do's and don'ts with example exclusively for my students. If at this point you're stuck in an old school mindset and you can't adapt to the new trends from the marketing world, like you just want to print out flyers and waiting to be featured on the magazine, you'll be struggling to run a business. I did all this back in 2 years ago. This flyer and magazine thing don't work anymore. As I have mentioned, digital marketing is a broad skill. You can either self-learn, or probably will take you another 5 years to figure things out, or hire a mentor to help you, which can save years and years of time. Your marketing efforts will be one of the most important, if not the most important, component of launching your startup business. Learn how to allocate a marketing budget. Treat marketing budget as an investment and not an expense. It will only be an expense if you don't know how to run a digital marketing. You can start to allocate using $10 and slowly scale up along the way. The bottom line is this: marketing needs to be your top priority for a startup business. Second tip is to build a website. Don't wait until the day your business officially launches to get your website off the ground. It's never too early to start promoting your business, even if your business haven't officially launched. Now, some of you here might want to have a physical location. While waiting for the perfect location of your choice, if customers are searching online for a service in your industry, you want them to know that you exist. Even if you are not quite open for business yet, you can even start generating some income through your website. If it's applicable, start taking some pre-orders or scheduling appointments. Since I don't have any physical location anymore, my business model is on pre-order basis. Of course, you will get a portion of customers who want ready stock items. What do? You move on. Out of 10 customers, 8 of them will be okay with pre-orders. If you aren't convinced, you can check out Tesla's pre-order model. Tesla has successfully received 3,250,000 pre-orders for one of their models called Model 3. Although this news was in 2016, but I just want to show you that pre-order model works. If billionaire like Elon Musk is using this model and it works, I don't see why anyone should doubt it. Today, your company can survive without an online presence. Even if you're opening your store at a crowded area, suddenly with a pandemic now, you will realize the crowded area is no longer crowded. And only then you realize you need an online presence. That's a bit too risky for your business. So act fast and act soon. It may sound like a tough task to set up a business, but it's really not that difficult. Once your business is up and running, you need to expand your digital presence. Utilize social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or whichever platforms you're comfortable with. If you're wondering which social media platform is best for your business, you may check out this video that will solve your problems. Your prospective customers are using these platforms as well, so you need to be on them. Lastly, build a strong customer base. I've guided you through knowing how to do marketing, building your websites, and growing your online presence, so congrats, you're on the right track. I can guarantee all this will help you to get your first customer, but you need to put them into action. The equation of building a strong customer base is attracting more customers plus repeat customers. Repeat customers means having your existing customers keep coming back to buy from you and no one else. You're essentially dominating in your industry. The secrets of getting repeat customers are customer service and personal brand. Your customer needs to be your main priority. They are the lifelines of your business, and they need to be treated accordingly. A good customer service does not mean that the customers are always right. I have dealt with many different types of customers along my business journey. One literally asked me, why are you charging different prices for these two items that look completely the same? I was saying in my heart that yes, they look completely the same, but one is clearly looking bigger than the other. That's why they are priced differently. But instead of me telling straight to the customers this way, I put it like this. Miss Customer, we price our items based on profit margins. If our suppliers charge us X amount, we just put a standard profit margins into it. Putting it this way will maintain the relationship you have with your customers because you aren't hurting their ego and you are not saying that you are wrong. Moving on to personal brand. I've done a topic on building a strong personal brand, which you can check it out after this video. I will also put a link in the description box down below. But basically, when you want to buy item XYZ, they think of you. When they want to buy item ABC, they think of you too, and no one else. You're dominating in the industry with a strong personal brand. These 3 tips have worked perfectly well for me, and I'm sure it will for you too. So use it and start implementing. I'll see you in the next video.